Today I'm taking a look at the DURATECH 5-piece extra long double box and wrench set. That's actually kind of nice. So it does come with a little case, so you can kind of roll it up and fit it in your pocket if you need to take this thing with you. Definitely super long wrenches. It's got kind of this like a squared profile, but it's still soft and it's not going to hurt your hand if you have to really put some force on it. See, this is a 12-point. It is a very thick head, so it comes all the way down, and it's kind of offset a little bit. So that way if you have to grab onto a fastener that's very close to the surface, you still got a little bit of room where you can actually grab this wrench. It says this is chrome vanadium. See, we are labeled on both sides. We've got an 18 and a 16. It's also labeled on the pouch, so we got 8, 10, 12, 14, 13, 15, so 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So no skips except for the 9, which is a pretty uncommon wrench anyway. And what's great about that is that you got a full wrench set right here, where if you just need to have like a backer wrench, something where you can grab onto one side with one wrench and the other side with the other, you just take this whole thing and roll it up and fit it right with your other wrench set. So you basically got 2 wrench sets, so you can fit all in one drawer very easily. So great for that. And on top of that, just being this extra long thing, you're going to be able to get a ton of leverage with this. This is a super long wrench. There we go. Yeah, ton of leverage with this guy. I know that thing's not going anywhere now. These things are awesome.